Experiencing no sound from your Polk audio soundbar via the optical connection? This video will guide you through troubleshooting. Optical issues often stem from incorrect settings, faulty cables, or compatibility problems. We'll focus on fixing no sound issues, understanding PCM settings, and checking your optical cable. Remember, Polk has addressed many issues with firmware updates, so ensure your soundbar is up to date. The most common reason for no sound is an audio format mismatch. Your TV or device might be sending a format the soundbar can't decode, such as Dolby Atmos over optical. Access your device's audio output settings, usually under Sound or Audio Output. Change the format to PCM. PCM is an uncompressed format compatible with virtually all soundbars. After changing the setting, test to see if your soundbar is now working. PCM, or pulse code modulation, is a straightforward digital audio format that carries uncompressed signals for clear sound transmission. Some Polk soundbars have specific PCM modes. Use your remote to access these settings. Press Input, then Settings to toggle between PCM and decode modes for optical input. Make sure the soundbar is set to PCM or decode mode for optical input. A misconfigured PCM setting can lead to audio dropouts or no sound at all. Firmware updates often address PCM-related bugs, improving stability. If issues persist after changing PCM settings, switch back and check for firmware updates on your connected device. The optical cable itself is often the source of problems. Start by carefully inspecting the cable for any visible damage, such as bends or frayed ends. Even small fractures can disrupt the signal. Try disconnecting and reconnecting the cable at both ends, making sure it fits securely. A loose connection can cause audio issues. If possible, test with a known working optical cable to determine if your current cable is faulty. Cable length can affect performance. Avoid cables longer than 5 meters as they may weaken the signal. Quality is also important. A 2025 Consumer Reports study found that many inexpensive Toslink cables cause failures. Polk Audio regularly releases firmware updates to address compatibility issues and bugs, including those related to optical audio. Check the Polk Connect mobile app or the Polk Audio website for the latest firmware for your soundbar model. Follow the instructions carefully to update your device. Many users have resolved optical no-sound issues simply by updating to the newest firmware. Optical audio is increasingly becoming secondary to HDMI ARC and eARC connections. HDMI ARC, or audio return channel, allows audio to travel back through the same HDMI cable that sends video to your TV. HDMI ARC and eARC offer higher bandwidth than optical cables, supporting advanced audio formats. This includes immersive surround sound like Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, which optical cables cannot handle. If your TV and soundbar both support HDMI ARC or eARC, it's generally a better option than optical. Try switching if you experience ongoing optical issues. If basic steps haven't resolved the optical audio issue, start with power cycling both the soundbar and the source device, such as your TV or Blu-ray player. Next, perform a factory reset on the soundbar by following the instructions in your user manual. Test the soundbar with a different source device to help isolate whether the problem is with the soundbar or the original device. If you have access to a multimeter, test the continuity of the optical cable to check for any breaks in the connection. If the optical audio issue remains unresolved after attempting these advanced troubleshooting steps, reach out to Polk Audio Support for additional help. The audio industry is shifting away from optical connections toward more advanced options like HDMI and wireless technologies. While optical cables remain practical for older devices that don't support modern connections, they are becoming less common. Polk's latest soundbar models emphasize HDMI eARC for superior audio quality, supporting advanced formats like Dolby Atmos. Experts predict optical ports will eventually be phased out entirely as HDMI and wireless connections become the standard. Keep your Polk soundbar firmware updated and consider switching to HDMI for the best possible audio experience.